You're already snapping photos of your food, your pets, and beautiful spots every day, so why not get paid for it? What if I told you that your everyday photos could start making you money right now with almost zero effort? Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how to turn your snapshots into cash with Alamy. It's easier than you think. Don't let those photos go to waste. So, what is Alamy? It's one of the largest stock photography platforms where millions of images are uploaded and sold every day. The best part? You don't need to be a professional photographer. Whether it's a picture of your lunch, your dog, or that beautiful sunset you captured last night, there's always a buyer out there looking for fresh, authentic images for their projects. Let's walk through exactly how you can get started. Step 1. Head over to alamy.com and go to Sell option, and then select Sign Up as a Contributor. Then, on the Sign Up page, you just need to provide basic details like your name, email, and a few other things. Once your account is ready, you're just a few steps away from uploading your images and making them available for sale. Step 2. Uploading your photos. Now for the fun part, uploading your photos. You don't need to have a fancy camera or professional equipment. If you've got good quality photos on your smartphone, that's more than enough. Alamy accepts a wide range of image formats, and their uploader makes it super easy to submit your photos. Step 3. Pricing and licensing. When it comes to pricing, Alamy handles that for you. Buyers pay for licenses to use your photos in their projects. Whether that's for websites, blogs, marketing, or even magazines, you earn a percentage of every sale. And here's what's great. Alamy offers one of the highest commissions in the industry, so you can maximize your earnings. Step 4. Passive income. Let your photos work for you. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once your photos are uploaded, tagged, and live on the platform, they can start earning money for you, even while you sleep. That's right, your photos are working for you 24/7, generating passive income without any extra effort. And the more photos you upload, the higher your chances of making consistent sales. Tips. One quick tip. Try us uploading a variety of images. Think about photos of everyday objects, people, nature, or unique places you've visited. The more diverse your portfolio, the more chances you have of attracting buyers.